That's a quick video on how to register on Pay Prime and copy the Nostra AI strategy or any other strategy. So quickly, the first thing you want to do is to get your referral link from whoever referred you. If you're referred by someone, then you click on the link. So once the page opens, you select your country of residence. In my own case, it's Nigeria, so it's already there. Then you enter your first name. You enter your email address. Then you enter your preferred password. So once you enter your password, you make sure you tick these two places. I'm not a US resident, and then I agree. And you click on create account. So you allow for it to load. So once the page opens, you go ahead and fill the details. Select your gender, select your date of birth, select your month, click on it, select your year. So you enter your phone number, you leave your country of residence as Nigeria, and then Nigerian as well as nationality. Then you click on next. So here you choose your trading platform. Click on this. Select popular copy trading. And then here you have choose account type. Click on it. Go to cents. Click on standard. So you have a set standard. The currency is already USD, leave it like that. Then you tick on these two boxes. You leave his create a nickname. It's optional, so you just leave it empty. Click on next. So once it opens, next you want to just click on ID verification. Click on continue. Tick this box, I consent. Continue. Then you enter your middle name, your last name, which is your surname, as it is in your ID card. And when you are done entry, then you click on continue. So here you have the option of your driver's license, ID card, residence permit, or passport. So in this case, I'm going to use driver's license. Click on continue. Select the front side of driver's license. Search for it on my phone. Then do the same for the back side. Select it from my phone. So once you're verified, the next thing you want to do is to click on this button right here. Click on this X button. So after you refresh your page, you click on the profile icon. You go to your profile. Then you click on verification. Go to the bottom. You see verify address. Then you click on verify now. Click on continue. Click on consent. Continue. Just click on continue. So here you can either use your valid ID with your address details, or you use your bank statements, or use your utility bill, recent ones. So in this case, I think I'll just use the driver's license as it contains address. So you just click choose from your device. Select the document. So uploaded now, then click on continue. See, my profile has verified this as quick as possible. Then you close. So all my verification are now complete, so my account is good to go. So the next thing I'll do now is to go to Play Store. Go to Play Store, search for PA, install the app. So once it is installed, you open the app, click on skip, allow notification, click on skip here, tick follow system, click on OK. If it shows you this particular page, you can click on login directly. But for some people, it might show you this page. So you click on sign up and login. At this bottom, you already have an account, so you just click on login. It will bring it here. You see it's on phone number, so you change it to email address, and then you enter your email and password. Once you've entered your email and password, you click on login. You get a code from your email address. Basic code from your email address, and then to ask you to verify your phone number, you click on this +444. You select your country code. In this case, it's from Nigeria, so I'll use Nigeria. +234. Then enter your phone number. So once you enter your phone number, you click on send OTP via SMS. You get the code, you paste. So you see, my account, I've logged in successfully on the app. So you just click on this place where you have copy trading. Because I've created the account already, you just see here you have copy trading, and then you have USC. But for those that, if you peradventure you got here, you've not created your copy trading account, you just click on the new live account. You select platform, change it to copy trading, account type, send, then you tick on this, and then you submit. Once you do that, in a minute or thereabout, you should have this copy trading account in your app. What you want to do next is to click on it. So once it opens, you go to profile at the bottom here, because now I want to deposit. There's no money inside, so I click on deposit. So because it's cents accounts, we input 10,000 cents, which is $100. So if you are putting 500, it will be 50,000. If you are putting $1,000, it will be 100,000. So just multiply any amount you are putting by 100, because we are dealing with cents accounts here. So after you've done that, you click on continue. So I'm using my own case, I'm depositing using a USDT BEP20, but you can use Naira, local bank transfer, or any other method that is suitable for you. But I prefer USDT BEP20 because it's instant. With Naira, it might take a while, a few hours. So I'm going to select USDT BEP20. So I'll quickly copy that code and then send the $100 to it. So I've sent the money now, so I want to click on submit. So it will show submitted. After a few while, the money should reflect on the app. Good. So I just want to refresh now until I see the fund in the app. So here it is there. So the last step now is to copy Nostra AI, and then I'll click on this discover at the bottom here, where you have search. I'll search for Nostra AI. So depending on the Nostra AI strategy you want to copy, you click on it. For now, the Sapphire is the only one available, so you click on Nostra AI Sapphire. You click on copy at the bottom here. You leave this copy mode to be the same. Investment, you leave it. It's total money you have in your cents account you are trading with. The only thing you want to change here is this risk management. Click on this arrow here. Change it 35 to 60%. click on done, then you scroll up and then you submit, and that's all, you're done. So once your account has been approved, you'll be able to copy Nostra AI. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.